What if I told you that in literature or even in reality, everything is being questioned? Like literature, work, and even old traditional values, traditional forms, rules, everything is being questioned. So that's only possible in postmodern age. Imagine a world where nothing is stable, where story does not start at the beginning, it does not end at the end. For example, you read a book, you expect a normal story, but suddenly the writer start questioning to you, to the reader. Suddenly the character starts questioning, arguing with the author itself. So that is postmodernism, a literary carnival where rules don't exist and rules itself are being questioned. So this age in English literature begins roughly after 1945 or World War II. It's an age where writers refuse traditional storytelling technique and experimented with the language, structure, reality, and even reader's role. This age didn't want answers; it only wanted questions, and it was response to modernism. And if we see the key features of this age, so that is fragmentation, metaphication, magic realism, absurdity, hyperreality, intertextuality, etc. And if you want a detailed video on these key features, you can comment down, I'll explain it. So this all was the influence of World War II, Cold War, media explosion, globalization, technology, etc. And if we see the major writers of this age, so first we have that is Samuel Beckett, who shows human life as absurd. And his most famous work is Waiting for Godot. Second writer we have that is Thomas Pynchon. His novels are filled with conspiracy and chaos. Next writer we have Salman Rushdie, who mixed myth, history and magic in a work with no rules followed. Next writer we have Angela Carter, who writes fairy tales with a feminist point of view. In Don DeLillo, Janet Winterson and Mark Atwood, Doris Lessing, who was Nobel Prize winner. And now comes the big question, what happened after it? Did the literature become more digital, more fragmented, more global? To know this, like, share, subscribe, share and follow for more updates. Now question for you, in which novel does Salman Rushdie use magic realism?